What up and welcome. I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. In this video, we are going to deal with the conditionals, the if-else statement. At least now we are getting the tune or the vibe of jQuery. Now we are ready to make some condition. Let's say we've got this number 45 and we want to display different messages according to the number that has been assigned. How do you write an if-else statement? You start with an if, you open and close the bracket, you open and close curly braces, and that is it. Inside this bracket you must write the condition or what you are asking. For instance, we want to ask, is this number equal to 45? If this number is equal to 45, what can we do? Let's just say this for now. Let's alert. Let's just make it simple and alert equals to 45. Okay, let's just comment this code for now so that it cannot be executed. So if this number is equal to 45, then we're going to alert equal to 45. Let's just write another if this number is not equal to 45, then we say not. We type here not equal to 45. Let's run it and see. Is this number equal to 45? I'm not sure. I'm not good in mathematics. Let's run the code and see. The computer is clever enough to tell us equals to 45. So what if we can change this number so that it cannot be equal to 45? Not equal to 45. So as you can see that this is how you write an if statement. And then let's just push it further. Let's just delete this second if and only copy that message. And then we have if this number is equal to 45, and then do this. Then we can make this shorter and combine both those, the first if and the second if, by using a else. So now it means that if this number is equal to 45, this is what is going to be displayed. Else, if it's something else, whatever condition it may be, then display this. Let's quickly run that and see. Not equal to 45, that means it's else. What if maybe it could be 45? Let's run it and see. Click OK, run and see. Equal to 45. That is it for this video. I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. If you feel like this video has added value to your overall understanding of jQuery, please subscribe.